Hi, in today's video we'll look at how we can use AV devices in our ControUI environment. So previously we have seen how we can add different zones as well as devices within the zone. So we'll build on what we have done the last video, and we can look at how we can add AV devices into the project. So when we download the quick start template from the website www.qsystem.com.sg under the download section, the quick start template itself does not have the basic AV equipment or the generic devices. However, the website also has another link whereby you can download those devices. So after downloading them and unzipping the file, we can use our CVC under My Project Resources. We right click again, we go to Insert Device, and we look for what we have downloaded under Generic Drivers version 1.0. And here currently we have a few drivers that we can use to include into our project. So maybe today we'll look at how we can add the AV receiver. Okay, it's already added in. Maybe we'll add another one. Let's say we add a source, and we also add a television. Okay, so once we have those devices added, we can drag and drop them into the configuration window. The TV, and we have a source. Source could be either a DVD player, Blu-ray player, or media player. AV receiver, can add it also. Now, there are many links here that need to be connected up. So let's go about connecting all this up. Firstly, we link the control link into the control link adapter. Note that I'm connecting this to zone 1, although we can also connect it up to the main zone. However, to make it easier, so that we know which room, because we are building on the movie room, we can connect it up to the zone 1, which is labeled movie room here. Now, after this is done, we need to link the IR connector to the controller. We need to link the source display to the projector. Maybe it's HDMI 1. So for this is done. And we also have a TV. So firstly we use the controlling, link it up to the controlling adapter, the IR again, trying it to link it to the controller. Next, of course, we have the display as well. So if you want multiple displays, you can link the source display from the DVD or the TV to another place. So this refers to also the source for the AV receiver. Similarly, for source display, we link it up to the projector. For TV, it will be its own source, and we can use the AV receiver now, connecting up and choosing the source. Say for example, we have a source, we want it to be a Blu-ray player, so the sound will be routed to the AV receiver here. Now in IR connector, we also connect it up. seems to be okay, so we try to run this. Display source must be connected. So we'll try to run this over to display source of the projector. Okay, and run this over here. Now, this is done. Run a simulation. Once it's completed, we'll run the ControUI again from the browser to test it out. Once it's downloaded, and try to see what happens. Of course, within all zones, we can see that we have many, but if we filter it down again to movie room, we have what we need: the AV receiver. When we click on it, there are volume up and down and mute buttons. We can turn it on. Once it turns green, it means that it's on. The IR reverse, which shows us if we want to flip the power stick. So for example, if it's an IR controlled AV receiver and the power indicator on the screen is off, but the AV receiver is on, we can actually flip the power stick. See, it turns green. Click it again, it turns on. So this does not affect the AV receiver itself, so that you can correspond nicely to what is the actual reading now. Under menu will be the menu of the AV receiver, the up, down, left, right, the OK buttons. All these are needed to control the different parts of a general AV receiver. So going back, you can look at the display. Display being the projector, and we have many SP commands here. These commands will be dealt with in a later video on how we can customize this. We have menu and also IR reverse. Our source being the DVD, we have the transport buttons here, device presets, even the number pad, so that we can control the TV or our Blu-ray. So similarly, for our TV, we have our channels, we have our IR flip, and all these other commands that can be later on customized for extra usage. So this is a simple way we can link up different devices, AV devices, into a zone. Of course, this can also be done for the main zone. This concludes the video on the basic usage. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.